Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a honeybee handbag. If you'd like to learn how to make it, just keep on watching. Okay guys, for this project I was inspired by two of my prior designs. One of them being this box clutch bag that I designed, my Junkyard clutch, which I posted last year. I'll put the links below if you haven't seen this project, but that is definitely an inspiration of mine. I also was inspired to create this bee bag by these shoes, where I took apart a foot chain and embellished these furry high heels. So those two are my inspirations. So this bag is a purchase from Amazon and it has gold hardware. It has a gold chain that comes along with it. I purchased it for $18 and it is very well made. You're going to take the plastic off before you start working on it, but you can see here it is small, but it will fit your essentials for a night out. Now the cool thing about this bag is that if you open it, it has these clear closures on the side so that your stuff doesn't come tumbling out when you open it, which personally I like a lot. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the star of the show here is going to be this beautiful bee necklace, and it is very detailed. It has the honeycomb and then all the little bees here. It sparkles beautifully. You can't see that because of the light, but in the sun it really does sparkle. It has fine rhinestones throughout. It is a combination of silver and gold. It does come with a matching necklace and earrings. So you can wear this for a night out or you could use it for this project. Now, much like my shoe project, I'm going to be taking this apart, just like I took apart the foot chain, and I'm going to be using that for this bag. So just keep watching. So I suggest to clip off these little round ends here. So make sure you lay out all the pieces the way that you want them on the bag and then start applying the glue. You will apply glue only to the parts that actually touch the handbag, so that way it doesn't seep through the rhinestone side. Okay guys, so the next step is to add the second layer of 3D, which I'm going to be using cut glass that looks like crystals. They're very nicely faceted and they are in a smoky color, which combines nicely with this clutch. These are oval crystal clears as opposed to the round ones I've been using. Keep your eye on these stones because they're heavy. They do slide off the acrylic bag, so just keep pressing them and keep your eyes on them. Okay guys, now that all the stones are set, you're going to let it dry overnight. Okay guys, so this is the finished bag and it turned out so beautiful. This bag is super sparkly and I can't wait to showcase it. Now, this bag does come with a chain, as I mentioned before, but it is a washed out gold in comparison to the chain that I purchased for this project. This chain is actually short and not as heavy as my other chains, so it's perfect for this small acrylic clutch. I really hope that you love this design as much as I do. I love the honeycomb theme. If you did, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.